Day 2, I hauled all this concrete up this morning. It is so quiet and beautiful out here right now. The trees are all backlit and they're just bright green, yellow green all up around the hill here, and really quiet right now. My first company.
Good luck, Robert.
Good luck.
This is Varun and Radha from the Radha from Motel 6, where I stay all the time. They came up to check out the property. Oh, it's a mouse. Look at that. Overnight, I already got a mouse making a nest here on my concrete. Overnight. They're gonna love it here when I'm done. Shoot, I hate to undo all this good work, but I'm gonna need this place. Poor little guy. Ruined his house already. How's your day? Just pick a different place, okay? You can build on my concrete if you want while I'm gone, but when I come back, I'm gonna ruin it for you again.